Welcome to another video in this channel, the Orlando Redhound. In this episode of our video, we will be discussing how to find a solution to a given quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. For example, if we have x squared plus 2x minus 5 equals 0, we need to find first the value of a, b, and c from the given equation so that we can substitute it to the quadratic formula shown. In the given equation, we have a equals 1, b equals 2, and c equals -5. Then all we need to do is to substitute these values into the quadratic formula. Simplifying, we have and the solutions are -1 plus square root of 6 and -1 minus the square root of 6. Now let's take another example. Here we have a equals 4, b equals 20, and c equals 25. Substituting to the quadratic formula, we have simplifying, we have and we have only one solution, that is, x equals 5/2. To check if your solution is correct, you can substitute the answer 5/2 to the original equation. To learn more about how to check if the solution is correct, you can watch my part 2 video on factoring quadratic equations. Thanks for watching. You can support my channel by subscribing. See you on my next video.